So, noong unang panahon, may vlog na pala.
The Happy Chef.
Tina tita, tina tata. What's the title?
Good morning, Philippines!
Hi, good morning. Good morning po, guys. Magkakat ako ng grass. Yep, and gutom ako. And Tommy is not answering my call. I don't know why, pero hindi siya tumubag. Umalis siya dito mga 9 something. Sana hindi niya dinala yung ibang Yahweh. Nah, dinala na naman. Animas man itong tawhana. Uy! Dito lang. Nah, dinala yung Yahweh. Dinala na naman yung Yahweh. Hindi ko ma-open yung... I need to cut the grass and this is what happened. Kaluka talaga tong tawhaan na to ba? I'm gonna call him, guys, kasi nakakairita na to. Nakakairita na. Hindi sumagot si Tommy sa mga tawag ko. So, iwan ko na lang. Iwan ko. Lagyan natin ng konting tubig. Konti lang kasi wala siyang drainage. Ayan. Para hindi siya dry na dry talaga. Kasi ito, sobrang dry. Ngayon pa nagwiwi si Misty since this morning. Tinatransfer ko rin ito siya dito. Kasi para malaki naman. Kasi maliit kasi yung ano. Yung lagayan nito. Yan, I think yan. Sana hindi ito mamatay ay. Hindi pa ako nakapag-alaga kasi ng ganito. Yan, ito siya. Maganda siya kapag ano na siya hanging, lumaki na siya. Gaganda siya at saka kailangan na din itong i-transfer kapag lumaki. Yeah. Nadala daw niya yung Yahweh. I think hindi ako mag-cut ng grass ngayon kasi sobrang init. Sabi pa niya, don't cut the grass daw ko ng sobrang init. Kasi nadala kasi niya yung Yahweh. Sabi ko, huwag mong dalhin sa trabaho ha. Ilagay mo dyan. Lagay mo yan dyan. Alis ako dito mga 8. Mamaya na akong gabi mag-aalis guys kasi para may matapos naman ako kasi alis na lang ako palagi ng alis. And yun. Maglinis tayo dito. At least tapos na. Ang init guys, grabe. 90 degree ata. Malapit ng 90 degree. Ngayong araw. Plano ko sanang mag-cut. Ito na naman tayo sa mga walang Yahweh. Nabubuang na ako nito. Anyway guys, tapusin ko lang muna to. Romestino, don't eat that. Kinakain yung dahon ng bulaklak, mamamatay ka dyan. Hindi natin alam kung ano yan. Poisoning sa inyo. Okay, andito tayo sa taas. Mag-video ako, mag-film lang ako guys. Meron akong video na I need to add something. Kasi ako guys, isulat ko yung mga, i-film ko, sinusulat ko siya, yung mga plano ko. Kasi paminsan, meron akong naisip ng mga i-film or i-topic. Palagi itong nangyayari sa akin at hindi ko siya sinulat. Ang nangyayari, makalimutan ko. Inisip ko, meron akong naalala kanina na gustong i-film. Pero hindi ko na maalala, nakalimutan ko na. So, yun. Meron akong mga sticky notes. Ang dami nga actually, tingnan nyo. Ang daming sticky notes. Pero, kapag wala ako dito sa filming room ko, ang ginagamit ko is itong notes sa cellphone ko. Dito ako susulat ng mga iniisip ko. So, yun. Ang init, guys. I-ano natin tong parsley na inani ni Tami. Tingnan natin. Ay, so simple lang. Merong ito. Lupa. Ano to? Grass dito. Sa labas natin ito yung ano. And ito yung box na dinala ni Tami. So, tignan natin. Sabi pa niya, i-open ko raw to. And then, baka hugasan ko raw kung ano man yung andito. So, tignan natin. Ipakita ko sa inyo mamaya. Guys, ito yung ipaano ni Tami sa akin. Ipalinis. Anong klaseng glasses ito? Anong klaseng glasses? Tignan nyo yung nirarap. Tignan nyo yung focus natin ha. Yung newspaper na nila. Alam nyo ba, tinitignan ko yung papers na yan, 1960. 1960 yung mga newspaper na yan. So, it means, itong mga glasses, it's older than 1960. It's like before 1960. Tignan nyo. Try natin i-wash kung anong hitsura at nito kasi sobrang yellowy and dirty and shiki. Guys, ito na siya guys. Na, ano ko na siya. Sorry, dito ko siya kasi pinatulo ko lang. Pero guys, tignan mo siya guys. Maganda pala siya guys kapag nalinis. Tignan mo. Kuha tayo isa ha. Itong maliit. Hi bag. Maganda pala siya. Nalinis. Kapag malinis pala siya, okay pala. Sobrang ano niya, yung parang, iwan ko, basta ipakita ko sa inyo kapag talagang dry na. Yan siya, di ba? Yan siya. Clean. Dito siya dirty. Ang dumi-dumi. Malinis. Iba pala. I shut the AC off. Kasi, nag-flood sa baba. Akala ko, okay lang yung flood kasi konti. When I went back downstairs, sobra, as in, ang daming tubig. So, I shut the AC off. And ngayon, so, parang mainit dito ngayon. Tumawag si Tami. Sabi ko sa kanya, I almost threw this out. Yung mga glasses. Sabi ko sa kanya, even the newspaper that covered, you know, wrapping these glasses, the year was 1960. And sabi pa niya, yeah, because this glasses is 1940s. 1940s glasses. 40s or 30s. This is from his grandma. Ano, alam nyo ba kung ano daw to? Sabi niya, crystal. Look. So, sabi ko, oh, because actually, if after washing it, is so nice and clean and clear and light. Very light. Sabi pa niya, generation to generation daw. Sabi, nagustuhan niya, kinuha, dinala niya dito. So, yun. Yan. Anyway, guys, alam nyo ba, may nakita akong video sa post, sa wall ng kapatid ni Tami na namatay. So, meron akong nakitang video doon na pinost ng mga ng best friend nila noon, nung mga bata pa sila. So, noong unang panahon, may vlog na pala. Alam nyo, kung gusto nyo makita si Tami in video, na very handsome, very good looking baby. And yes, ipakita ko sa inyo yung video. Please let me know. Comment in English para ipabasa ko kay Tami. Comment nyo English. And may yung mga vlogging pala nangyayari na yun noon. Noong unang panahon, parang tanda na talaga ni Tami. 1960, basta mga 19. And let's see kung anong reaction ninyo. And yun, yan. Ipakita ko sa inyo yan. Yung video na yun is, hindi ko i-ano lahat. Ipakita ko lang sa inyo few clips. Kasi, privacy ng iba, diba? So, yun. So, yun lang yung andun si Tami. So, yun lang. At saka mga konting extra. Okay? And, yun. So, basta nakilig ako, guys. Kasi, yung time na yun, it's not, it's 1980 something. I don't know, I was 2 years old. 2 years old? 2 years old ako noon. I think si Tami nasa 27. 27, 25. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Pero yeah, andun sa mga 20 plus si Tami. Ako 2 years old. Basta yun. Anyway, yun guys. So yun. Kita-kits. Balikan ko kayo after nyo makita yun. Okay?
Or you can stand there filming. Across the bay and get you. And it really zooms. You can get the food stuck between your teeth. He's got one of those super sensitive pickup microphones. So if you whisper to Louis, Louis, please tell me to go away. He'll get that on tape. Right. Joe Maniac, strike the hip. Joe Maniac. Maniac, strike the hip.
Oh,
Makes it more interesting.
right. Wouldn't be fun.
You get that on slow film, he's got about 2 hours of tape on it already. He's gonna show everybody you eating the same thing 4 times. Let's take a walk over to the fridge, Joe.
We'll show them the rest of the house. We'll show them the rest of the house.
Lovely, isn't it?
That Carvel box is his birthday cake.
Super space saving.
Why not your birthday cake, Turk?
You saw it already. Now, if you care to step over to the sink, you'll watch me wash my hands. I don't know where the bar soap is yet, so I'll have to use some of this stuff.
I'm just saying.
Unless you need to join me. The Happy Chef. Yeah, you better get this on film because it's rare that I make breakfast for guests.
You're on film.
Look!
Look at Joe.
Go hi! Say wave! Wave, Joe! Wave! See?
I'm going sa isang bahay and it's almost 9 o'clock na ng gabi. Hindi pa talaga siya gabi, pero pagabi na. I'll be right back, okay? You go night-night. Okay guys, alis lang ako guys. And isama ko na lang kayo. Leaving at this hour, it's weird. But I have to go. Yeah, I think I need gas. I think kailangan ko ng gas. Half na siya. Traffic.
Traffic going in really sucked.
Oh, this,
I didn't get it 3
this house is really hot.
Oh yeah.
I guess I'm going to sleep tonight naked.
It'll still be really hot.
It's like the thing when you get from Daily the other day. Bread with different kind of stuffings. Yeah, I'm talking about the sandwich like that. This one is a hot dog. There is a hot dog and then a cheese and then a salad and then a okra.
Let me explain something to you. No way in hell would I buy okra.
I know, but this one looks good. It's in the magazine that Mom received.
Oh, you took us a picture in a magazine.
Yeah. Okra, that would be nice for me. Fireworks galore. Are you there?
Yeah.
Tommy was here. He just got home from worky. Look at this at that Kenny Rogers na. I've been listening Kenny Rogers song with Dali something? Dali? Who is that singer? Kenny Roger. And Dali. Yeah. I love their song. The two of them, like the stream something. One will stream something.
Meanwhile, the song was
You know what we are.
the fire.
In between. Tali tali ta. Inatita. Inati papa. What's the title lang? Huh? Time check. It is almost 11 o'clock. I'm gonna go up, huh? Anyway, guys. Thank you, guys. I will see you guys tomorrow morning. I'm going out early here. Like 4 o'clock. The key is here. Tommy always brings key. It's ridiculous. Good night, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Oh, guys, what do you think of that Tommy's younger time? So guapo, right? The vlogging when the vlogging
You reposted his video?
not yet. I'm vlogging now, so it will be. I was showing you your face when you were young. Yeah, she's so guapo, guys. Sad that I was 2 years old then. Yeah, he's still young then. Say good night. So handsome. Hi, handsome. Handsome.
Must be talking about somebody else.
Handsome. Handamoy. Handamoy. Good night, guys. See you guys in my next vlog. Bye-bye. See night, B-boy. Again.
Hi, guys.
Bye-bye, guys.